Hello, in this video we will be giving you an introduction to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. MetaTrader 5 is a platform for trading Forex, CFDs, stocks and ETFs, and offers a host of technical analysis tools and special features, including a news feed and an economic calendar. MT5 Features. A great feature of MT5 is that trading can be done on the go using a mobile device. This means traders have access to the latest information before entering and exiting positions. Other key features: multiple order execution modes. MT5 offers 4 order execution modes. These include instant, request, market and exchange. Support for all order types. MT5 supports all types of trade orders, including market, pending and stop orders, as well as trailing stops. Analytical Tools. MT5 is well known for its wide range of technical analysis tools. The platform allows traders to open up to 100 currency charts at one time. Timeframes. The platform enables comprehensive and detailed analysis of all price movements through 21 timeframes. Technical indicators. MT5 has many technical indicators and tools, including graphics, which allow detailed analysis. Traders can also choose from thousands of free indicators from the code base or purchase from the market. Custom indicators. These can also be ordered from professional programmers or developed by the traders themselves. Data for fundamental analysis. MT5 offers traders the option to carry out fundamental analysis by broadcasting news from international news agencies. Copy trading. A key feature of the MT5 platform is that it allows traders to subscribe to hundreds of signals from profitable traders, some free and some paid. Algorithmic Trading. MT5 allows automated trading by using expert advisors, which can analyze quotes and perform trading operations by following a chosen or specified algorithm. Virtual hosting service. This feature allows traders to operate their account even when their computer is turned off.